This is Rain Jones. I wanted to start off first by thanking those of you who've provided feedback on my Selling on Amazon series, and I know it's been a while since the last video, and I'm going to work on making that up now. So one of the questions that I've received is, if you can't afford to purchase a unit product code, how do you go about getting your products listed and sold on Amazon? So today I'm going to talk to you about what's called requesting a GTIN or UPC exemption. And this is how you go about it. And the nice thing is it was not this easy a month or so ago. So Amazon has changed their method a little bit and tried to make it a little easier for people to get through this process. So what you want to do is log into your seller account. It doesn't matter what page you end up on. Right now I've just got it on my manage inventory page. So you go up into the search, and as you can see, I've done this before, but instead of GTIN exemption, I'm going to type in UPC. So we're going to go UPC, and it comes up here, UPC exemption. So, and how do I sell products without a product ID? So go there, and you might have to follow the process here, but you can sell your product without a product ID by applying for a GTIN exemption, which is what we want to do. And then it finally takes you to the point where it says apply for a UPC exemption. So go ahead and click on that. And what you will see is it will bring up this page. Now we're done with the help block here. So we're going to go ahead and close that out. And this is what I mean by they've made it really easy for you. So in this case, I'm going to use workout bands as an example. So product category, as you know, Amazon has all sorts of categories that you can search for products on. And in this case, I'm going to scroll down to, let's see if we can, okay, we'll just go sports. And then you should be able to go in here, and if you're talking about unbranded, and again, Amazon is really making this simple for you. So if you're looking for, unbranded items or bundles, then enter generic. So just go ahead and follow instructions, enter generic, and then go ahead and check for eligibility. Okay, so you're eligible for this, so what you want to do is continue to submit proof, and this is where it's and just follow the process. That's all we're doing here. So if you have no supporting letter from the brand owner, it's very simple. Don't worry about it too much. And this is where you give your product name. In this case, I'll just say I'm creating my own brand here under Rajo. And we'll just say, make it very simple for now, workout bands. Now, for pictures, again, you need to have pictures to begin with. So I got some pictures saved here. And so we'll just go ahead and add those, and we'll go ahead and change that to what it is there. And then you go ahead and once you put in the product name and added a few pictures or images, you go ahead and submit the request. And folks, they have made this super easy. So right now it says we're reviewing your request and we'll email you with the status within 48 hours. So that means now you just sit back and wait. And this is the part where while you're waiting, if you haven't already, go through and start preparing for what your product's going to look like on Amazon. So this is the part where you work on fine-tuning that product title, the description elements. Make sure you fill all of that in. And I went through this in previous videos, so go back through those videos to see what I'm talking about. But this is the part where you can fine-tune everything and have it ready to go, so when that exemption does get approved and there's no reason why it shouldn't get approved, then you just go ahead and put it together, ship the products to Amazon if you're doing fulfillment by Amazon, and go from there. Alright, so this was a very short and simple video for how to get your products listed if you have no product code. So hopefully this helps out quite a few of you, and I will continue to produce videos that answer any future questions, so please feel free to put those questions in the comments below, and I will be sure to get them answered for you. In the meantime, have a great day, and I look forward to getting your feedback.